Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, the end of tonight's episode ended in a way that I did not expect, you guys. So what we see towards the end of the episode, on Wednesday's episode, this is what was playing tonight. Umphumelelo benolwandle are out and about. They're out to a restaurant, and they are there to discuss isimo sikaMusa. And Umphumelelo, when he's having a conversation with Unwandle, he's saying uthi hayibo phela lo muntu, he was ready to go. Umphumelelo is saying ukuthi Musa had thrown in the towel. Now there's some people who are busy saying ukuthi hayibo, like why is Damselebus like acting up so much about Musa being in hospital? Like it doesn't even look that bad. I'm just like, guys, have you ever been in a situation ukulelwa umuntu? You know what's the worst part? Is that, or at least I've noticed in my experience, anytime a person starts to look better, in that's the time where they just pass away. Because it's like they will always pass away when they're going through the most and they look very sick, they will pull through. And then just when you think they are getting better, they just pass away like that. Not only that, it is scary, guys, to see a person who is never sick to be in a hospital. I don't think some people understand what this family is going through, and hence some people feel like themselves were overreacting. Some people feel like Usamke is overreacting because Umusa doesn't even look that bad, you guys. Now, then Umphumelelo banolwandle, as they're eating meat, they get a phone call from Umaxele. Umaxele is like, phuthumani esibhedlela, hurry up and come to the hospital. There's something that we need to discuss, so just come to the hospital. Umphumelelo doesn't ask further ukuthi like what is it about. Umaxele also doesn't elaborate on the phone what it's about. But anyway, we just see Umphumelelo benolwandle leaving their meat there, guys, and that meat looked so juicy. Leaving their meat there, they got up and they went to the hospital. Then on the screen, all we see is that they say the production team put on the screen that Musa got hit by a second stroke, you guys, another stroke. And then he was moved from high care to ICU. I'm now asking myself, because Umphumelelo did mention ukuthi yena when he followed up on this issue. So when he says ukuthi when he followed up, I'm thinking ukuthi he went kwinyanga to go and consult about his father's illness. So anyway, Umphumelelo says when he followed up on this issue, uthole ukuthi the ancestors are angry or something like that, and they want to know ukuthi why uMusa engasalaphi abantu. Remember, guys, in season 1 we knew ukuthi uMusa, he had a gift of healing and he used to heal people. At some point he had a church, and then all of that, angazi guys, if it was the fame, if it was the money, or what happened, but he just waphuma kulezo zinto. So Umphumelelo said wherever when he found out the information, they are saying ukuthi it's the ancestors bayamcindezela in a sense, because uMusa's not doing what he's supposed to do. Yo, guys, then the production crew goes on to put on the screen ukuthi the sickness became so critical that they had to stop filming for a whole month. Guys, that just goes to show ukuthi if some people think ukuthi Musa was not looking that sick, and it didn't look that serious, like he got worse. Ushawe singing stroke and he had to be taken into ICU. Guys, yo, I know, Musa, guys, no. Like, I just really hope this man pulls through. And I'm not even saying it in a sense. I know Uguti, like the episodes we are watching, Uguti, it's lost your stuff. But clearly, guys, we all know Uguti, when we see Musa's recent pictures, he's not the same, or at least he doesn't look the same to the way he looked prior to him getting sick. That's what a lot of people have noticed. I am just wishing him well in terms of his health. Guys, this man needs to get well, man. Like, all jokes aside, and besides all of the things we come and joke about and his selfishness and all of that, this man needs to get well. Aibo Musa Mselegu, we need 10 more seasons from you. Like, listen, sir, we need 10 more seasons from you. Like, you can't afford to just leave us like that. We need 10 more seasons from you, and your family needs you, you guys. So you know what, guys? If you can, utter out a prayer for him, you guys, because yes, he might be better and out of hospital now, but we really want him to be in good spirits, you guys. I just found this kind of sad I don't know why, but ukula, guys, I don't know ukula no gufa. Though we know ukuthi everyone's gonna go down that path, I don't know why it's still such a scary thing. Like it's never something you can get used to. So I really hope ukuthi he puts measures in place, you guys, that are not gonna take him back to the place la zokula khona, because you're Hybo, guys, BP, bathi BP ayidlali, guys, yazi BP. Hey, and these days BP phatha ney'ngane, guys, bengicela ukuthi niqapheleni, nika-distress, guys, please. Many buyela nje. Uthando nesithembu, please don't take these things to your heart, because BP, guys, ayidlali izokugila phansi. So please, guys, take care of your health. When you see ngathi isimo siyakustressa, just remove yourself out of it, because it's really not worth it to check out of this earth before your time. But guys, you tell me, what's your thoughts about Umpumelelo and the ancestors, Musa, and that's the reason why Ekula. Some things now I don't understand. But anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.